as we reference a new thread of energy over the next few weeks, it might be really useful to maybe practice this every day or every few days between now and the Lion's Gate, because in this time, it's this very energetically beautiful opportunity to really link into a new stream of energy that has a capacity to support you that's more harmonic. So there's 5 steps that you want to do to really link into that supportive thread stream. The very first step is bringing in the appropriate vibrations, frequencies, sounds, light, energetic aromas, crystalline structures, sacred geometry to create clarity for you. And so you're using your higher self, your body to higher self, your teams, your guides, bringing in these appropriate vibrations that bring clarity in for you. Step 2 is to hold your energy and awareness in your line and invite your higher self, body to higher self, teams to feel into that vibrational frequency that is your essence. It is the perfect, beautiful, harmonic, connected vibration that you've attained that has your passion and your mastery. You're referencing that internally, because we want to reference ourselves internally before we link into something externally, like a vibrational thread that helps support us in our journey. So you're referencing this inner vibration. And there was that energetic protocol that we did in today's Tall Cups that helps you support you in that process. Then step 3 is acknowledging and recognizing the mechanism that you use. You might be really sensitive to sound or color or light or vibration, like a feeling state or aroma, or even taste energetically. And you use that mechanism to feel the thread, to feel the new stream, to feel this path, to access it. You have to use your mechanism. And then that's step 3. Step 4 is use your mechanism that works for you. Again, it might be sound, it might be color, light, threads, to link to this new stream, to weave a vibrational grid fabric using sound, using light, using sacred geometry, using energetic aromas to link to that new stream. And then the 5th step is acclimatize. Align, balance, and stabilize with that new thread. Give yourself time to feel that time pulse that's new and different, that's really supportive and empowering. So those are the 5 steps to link into this new thread that then creates a momentum, a vitality, a clarity in your life as you journey and awaken. Oh.